Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. I'm Nelson Rose. This is one of our solo clips and this one is about balance. This is the second part, so you've done an ankle action this way, talked about how to gain control of that, so now we're going to look at the ankle action this way. So I better get on the stage. First exercise, all you're going to do is take your heels out and at the same time take your toes in, and then attempting to stay on the spot, switch which way round they are. So all you're doing is in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. If you are like most people, you will have found that when you did that exercise, you probably found that you were going backwards. And that's simply because, if I do it here, as you turn your toes in and your heels out, you tend to put your weight onto the outside edge of your foot, which means you've walked a little way back. And as you turn back the other way, you tend to put the weight more on the inside edge of the foot, which helps walk you back some more. And the end result of that is you go backwards when you do it multiple times. So the first thing we need to do is to try and gain the control to not go backwards. And the best way to do that is to learn to go forwards. So what we're going to do is that, starting with the feet straight, we're going to try and put the weight to the inside edges of the foot as we twist out, and then put the weight on the outside edges of the foot as we twist in. Inside edge of the foot as we twist out, outside edges of the foot as we twist in, and that will allow you to move forwards while you do the exercise. Once you get a little bit of experience doing that, you should then be able to do the exercise, control your balance, and stay on the spot. Then you want to be able to have enough control that you can go backwards when you want and forwards when you want. Once you can do that, then you can try the next step. And the next step, very simple, go forwards with one foot, backwards with the other. So you get started and then you use it to rotate, and you get started and you use it to rotate. Once you can do turning right, turning left, the final exercise is to do exactly the same thing we did in the first one about taking a circle and actually going around the edges of the circle. So imagine a little circle down to my left. I can use this to go forwards around the circle, and then of course I could do the same thing and go backwards around the edge of the circle. By controlling the proportions, I can go round in a curve. By the time you've done those exercises and can do them, you'll find that your actual control of your ankle compared to before doing part 1 and part 2 will be much better. Should improve your balance. Hopefully that will be good and useful to everybody, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.